The following is for 2010 Math 112 Test 3, number 19. In this question, we will solve this equation. As you can tell, because we have grouping symbol that we cannot combine like terms in, we will do distribution first. Okay, then there will be 3x plus 6 minus 4.6 equals 7x plus 5.3. Now, then the next thing I will do, I will combine like terms on the left hand side. Remember, you need to simplify each side first before you move any terms across equal sign. Now 6 minus 4.6, remember, if I put them in pancake, it is not 2.6. okay, here you will see that's 1.4. 3x plus 1.4 equals to 7x plus 5.3. Now from here, then I move the terms in across equal sign. I think I will move the 3x first because I have 3x and 7x. 3x is smaller, so I'll move it to the right hand side. Then I get 1.4 equals to 7x plus 5.3 minus 3x. Now this will give me, when I combine this, I will get 4x plus 5.3, and then from here I will move the 5.3 to the left hand side, right? That will be 1.4 minus 5.3 equals to 4x. Now, one very common mistake here is when you subtract this, you just do it right away, subtracting. But if I were you, I will put the negative sign first. You see 1.4 minus 5.3, it's negative. So write it down first, negative, and then aside you do 5.3 minus 1.4, you do borrowing, right? That will be 3.9. Okay, it's a negative 3.9 equals to 4x, and then you divide by 4 on the other side. Negative 3.9 over 4 equals x. We'll do it here. That would be negative something, right? What's that? 3.9 divided by 4, 0.9 for 36. 30 here, so it will be 7. That's for 28. 5 for 20. So the final answer will be negative 0.975. Okay, so if we summarize the process here, what we did was we do distribution first. Anytime you can do distribution, you should do that first, and then combining like terms whenever possible on each side. And then once it is simplified on each side, then you start moving the terms around. Okay, now when we move the terms around, we usually move, if we have two variable terms and two constant terms, you move the variable terms first, and you tend to move the one with lower coefficient. Now the reason is, if I move the 3x to the right hand side here, you see 7 minus 3, that will give us 4x, right? Now if you move the 7x to the left hand side instead, which is actually okay, then you will get negative 4x. Now some people, when they have negative number, they forget to write the sign. Now that's where you take a bit elevated risk by doing so. Okay, what I show you here, I think is the one with the least risk. Okay, this is from 2010 Math 112 Test 3, number 19.